Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. The market is currently in a holding pattern. We're just moving sideways ahead of the Fed interest rate decision. But again, like many other charts, the market is just holding at the moment without any clear commitment that a low or anything has formed. The structure overall is still considered bullish, right? But honestly, the chart hasn't done anything in the last 4 weeks, right? I warned you already weeks ago not to try to focus too much on the microstructures, or let's say assign too much meaning to any of these individual moves within a broader range, because we're holding in a broader range. You could say we're defining the upper range boundary around $5,000, lower range boundary around 4,050 to keep it simple, which is moving, moving. And these moves are really getting nasty when the price is moving in the middle of the range, because there's really no edge, right? There's really no trade location. Because we're in the middle of a range, right? So there's no good reward to risk ratio either way. Up here, you could say it can make sense to sell or rather go short if you're trading the range. Down here, of course, it can make sense to go long. It's a range, yeah? You draw a middle line and then you can trade the range, but most people are not good at range trading. It's much more difficult. It's just not interesting and just more difficult than trading trends, right? Because you know it's just a lot of noise happening there, right? And you have to be very disciplined. And I made a video about grid bots a few days ago. In case you watched that, you know what I mean. I explained that in detail, how a grid bot can actually do well and save you a lot of time and headache in a range, whereas it can make sense to focus the energy more on the trending moves, right? And the time frame and the setups where the market is actually trending and not just ranging, because a lot of people lose money in trading ranges. Yeah, is what it is. And so a bot can do that much better. Check it out if you're interested. It's on the channel. But overall, yeah, I mean, what can I say? This move to the downside can be an E wave in our triangle. Remember, we've been tracking here an Elliott wave triangle, A, B, C, D, E. And then from this area, we can watch for higher prices in a fifth wave. But there is no confirmed low in place yet. Okay, we want to see an upside breakout from the range, at least for confirmation that we've bottomed. Earliest indication, I'd say a break above this 4,770 level, the D wave high. That's technically, from an Elliott wave point of view, the first indication we've bottomed. Locally, this is still considered a downtrend because there is no convincing upside structure yet. We'll watch how this develops today. Yeah, I can say that I can technically and visually call that move down complete, yeah, in a C wave of wave E, but this upside momentum is too weak, right? I mean, at a minimum, a move above this level to at least indicate a local low has formed, and that would be 4,670. If we continue to grind lower, further support levels are around 4,394, 4,311, and then here, that's an important one, around $4,210. Obviously, we talked about it before. If we still go lower, that is not a problem from a bullish point of view. It could simply be a broader wave 4 correction. It's the same scenario, just a different way how this wave 4 unfolds. Then pay attention to this area around $4,050. There is quite strong support. This was also the green line, yeah, a level where there was a lot of resistance before. So yeah, not too much happening. We'll keep monitoring the price action as we're heading towards the Fed interest rate decision. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you check out our membership, but also join our X channel for further updates, further charts, macro charts, news, and much more. You can find the link in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.